So here's a quick tutorial on how to access your client portal and how to utilize our systems within. So if you go to jf-paralegalservices.com, you'll be brought to my homepage, and over to the right you'll see this client portal login. So you just go ahead and quickly click that and enter your credentials in. Mine are obviously pre-filled, but you'll enter your email address and password that you set up when you received your OneHub invitation, and you'll just click sign in. Once you sign in, it should bring you right to your workspace. If you have multiple workspaces, if you decide to utilize other workspaces, they will be found under Home. But here you will see your specific workspace. It will have your firm name along with your specific case status spreadsheet, etc. But this is just a sample we're going to use to show you. So up top, you'll see files, tasks, and messages. These are the three main areas that we'll be utilizing to work together through this hub. Under files, this is where we can share and add any files. So you can simply, if you have a file to share, you can drag it and add it here, or you can utilize the upload files or folders section here. You can also create folders, documents within, and if you have a Microsoft 365 subscription, you'll be able to access their online editing and creation platform. So if you go here and you click, you want to create a new Word document, you go here, enter the name of the Word document, and it will pull up Microsoft Online. Similar to if you use Microsoft Online, it's basically the same platform. So you can go ahead and enter your information or whatever you are trying to do, and once you are done with that, you can just close out. It's automatically getting saved to the OneHub portal. You can close out, and then there is that test document for review. Now you can also download and edit and upload documents offline. This is just really great for quick edits, or if you would like to add information into a Word document, it works really well here. Now you can also here review this document and enter in comments for others to review if you maybe have a follow-up comment or anything of that nature. Here is where we can create tasks on any given file. So you can either do it this way, being that we're in the file, we'll do it this way. You can either set a task for review. So if you, for instance, want our paralegal Lauren to review, you can add your comments here and you can create that task. Now when Lauren goes into her OneHub portal login for yours, she will go into tasks and it will show up in her inbox, but for now it shows in our outbox because we created that task. So it does say review and your comments here, so she can see all that there. And likewise, she can then, here's the other way you can assign tasks on a specific document. So if she has reviewed it, now she wants you to go in and approve it or review it, either or, it doesn't really matter, it's just getting that task over. She would type in your name, which would pop up, and add in a task. I have edited ABC, and this is what I need you to review and provide further information on. So that's how you would back and forth with documents. You cannot create a task on a file. You have to go to a specific document. So if there was files in here, there would be options to add the tasks for review and make comments. Now you can also go to messages, and in messages we have it's basically a centralized area to avoid the back and forth email communications. If we just had a quick question or a task assignment, or you maybe uploaded a file, the Smith matter, and you wanted to give her more information, here you could go ahead and click post, and now that message has been created with the title Smith matter, more information here. We can go in and comment back and forth, and if you go into the whole thing, again, now you will see the comments. So we can have a back and forth dialogue on that specific matter, and it will stay centralized to that. Back to the files, we create a case status spreadsheet. It's kind of preference on if you choose to use this. We find that it is a great way to make sure that we're all on the same page as to where each matter is. Now the Excel preview doesn't work so great on here, so you just want to kind of go in and click Edit Microsoft Online. So once you open that way through the editing version, we will be able to see all of our matters. So this is where you would enter the client's name, a description of what we're working on, and the date you would like to see it back to you, where our work would be completed. Status, this is where we may comment with firm for further instruction. So you can kind of take a peek each morning or during your staff meetings and see which matters need to be reviewed by you or what matters require your action, or you can just see the status of all your matters all at once to review at your meetings. So this is a great way just to stay on track. Everybody can be on the same page where everything is at, and we ask that this case status spreadsheet always be edited if possible on the online version, so it's getting edited in real time. Now if you cannot edit it in real time, what you can do is download it and then open it on your desktop, but then we ask that what you would do then once you have made your edits is to delete this and re-upload your new document. Just drag it back in. It's just so that we're making sure we're always working on the most up-to-date spreadsheet. So that's the overview of OneHub. There's not much to learn on it except for the 3 major features on how we can back and forth tasks. Now, the task feature, that's going to definitely be preference on firm if that is the efficient way to delegate work. Now, the other way is to simply just make sure that you're adding and updating this spreadsheet here, and we will diligently be checking it for new due dates and new matters that we need to enter into our project management software for completion. But either way, whatever works best for you is absolutely what will work best for us. So if you have any questions on that, please feel free to let me know, and otherwise just kind of take a peek on it and see if it all makes sense to you.